Basic function of industrial machines. Stitch length dial. The bigger the number, the longer the stitches. Smaller number, shorter stitches. Upper thread tension discs. Clockwise, tighter. Counterclockwise, looser. The presser foot lever raises the presser foot. So does the knee lever. It raises the presser foot when your knee pushes it. The foot pedal controls the machine. While the reverse lever makes the machine run backwards. Now that you've learned the parts, let's sew. First, turn on the machine and wait for a few seconds to warm it up.